Hey guys, welcome back to SavinABuck. I'm Josh. This is a channel to watch if you like do-it-yourself projects and saving money by doing things yourself. Today I'll be working on a project I'm really excited about. It's my outside bar. I haven't got started. I did a video a few weeks ago saying I was going to get started on it. Now I am. This is day one, and let me show you what we'll be working with today. A lot of reclaimed lumber and metal from an old barn that I tore down on the farm here. Some of the lumber is well over 100 years old that we'll be using, and I hope you like it. If you haven't liked and subscribed, do that. We'll have plenty of videos on this, and every video will be a change of how we're progressing and what it'll look like. And hang in there. Stay with me. Show you what I'll be working with. Come along with me. Okay, let's get started. Now, I don't have a ton of money in this project. I did build the lean-to about a year ago. I've got probably $700 or $800 in the metal and the lumber and that. But as far as the old beams, all the reclaimed stuff that I'm using, I've only bought a few new 2x4s for the framing of the project. And hopefully I won't have to spend too much money. And we'll see how it turns out, but let's get started. Alright, here we have some axe-hewed beams. If you can see down through there, these beams come out of a barn that was well over 100 years old. These beams are axe-hewed, like I said. You can look at them, and they're not completely square or true. They've actually been cut with axes. So it's going to be really unique and different in the bar. I'll show you what else we got. So we have some old corrugated metal that we'll be putting in the face. I did buy some new 2x4s. That's the only thing I did buy. Some of this old metal back here is what I had left over. And I'll show you what I'll be making a bar top out of. Alright, this is a great big slab, about 16 foot long, with a little bit of a knot there in it. And it's 2.5 inches thick, I believe. And that will be our bar top that we'll be incorporating. It'll look awesome. Alright, I have a whole bundle right here, as you can see, of unused pallet lumber that's just different sizes or may have a rounded edge or something that they couldn't use for pallets. And it's a pretty good bundle. I get $5 for this. So really good buy for unique crafts projects and do-it-yourself projects if you can find somebody that would have some of this pallet lumber that they're not using. But really this is just junk to them, and I'm going to incorporate in my bar. thanks for watching the Bar Barbecue build, man cave, whatever you want to call it. We'll see you in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. More to come. We're going to start working on the inside of this thing next. See ya.